Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a CapCut templates. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and in here you just click on the templates menu in here. Click on it, and after this, in here you can choose the template that you want to save. Maybe I wanna save this one. So if you wanna save this template, you just click on the love icon in here, click on it, and after this you can sign in with TikTok or your Facebook. But in here I wanna sign in with a TikTok, so you just click on it, and after this, okay, the sign in successful and the love has been read like this. And now you can go back and then click on the click on the me at the bottom, and in here you can see the template. You can like and save at your profile, and then in here you can use the template if you want to use at any times. Okay, so that's how to save a CapCut templates. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.